Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm going to discuss a very important topic. So let's watch this video till the end. So I'm going to discuss, is job security a myth nowadays? Because we always keep on hearing layoffs, massive layoffs, like sudden layoffs. But what's the reality and why it's happening? Let's discuss. There was a time when getting a stable job meant long-term security, but today that idea is slowly disappearing. Job security is starting to feel like a myth because we see layoffs all the time. But why? First, companies are changing. Businesses are focusing more on flexibility than loyalty. These this means contract roles, temporary jobs, and outsourcing are increasing, and we are seeing it all around us, right? From a company's perspective, it reduces their risk and it helps them stay afloat. But for employees, it increases uncertainty. Layoffs are becoming more common. Even large organizations are cutting jobs to reduce cost. And the scary part, it can happen suddenly without any time to react. One day you are working, next day you are job hunting. And do you know how much time it takes to fire an employee? Less than 2 minutes. A script is run in the system that disables all your accounts, all your access. You're gone, done. A major reason is technology because technology is rapidly evolving, especially after AI has been brought into our world. It's changing everything. Automation, AI are replacing certain job roles. Jobs those who were considered very stable 10 years ago may not even exist in near future. So relying on one skill or one job is too risky nowadays. Another issue is performance pressure. Employees are expected to do more with less, and if performance drops, replacements are like very easy and ready. So where does that leave you? In a situation where job security cannot be guaranteed. So what you should do? Build skills continuously. You have to adopt continuously. It could be a painful process for many of you, but do we have any other option? Have multiple income sources if possible. Save aggressively when you are earning for your bad days. Because in today's world, security doesn't come from your job. It comes from your preparation. And those who understand this early are the ones who stay ahead. That's what I wanted to say, guys. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.